11.5 is another method of solving a quadratic. So if you are unable to factor a quadratic, there are other methods that we could use. So let's say you can't find two numbers that multiply to the back that can add to the middle. It doesn't mean that there's no solution. It just means that you have to find a different method in order to solve it. The next method that we're going to learn about is called completing the square. So to complete the square, what you're doing is you're creating a perfect square so that you can ultimately square root it to get rid of the squared term. So we are taking the first two pieces of the quadratic and you are applying a formula, which is right here, the b divided by 2 squared. And that is what's going to make it a perfect square that you're going to be able to use. So if we go down here to example 1, it says complete the square. Find the value of c that makes a perfect square trinomial. So in this case, you're taking b divided by 2, and then the result is going to be squared. No matter what, that will make a perfect square trinomial. So if I do 8 divided by 2, it is 4. 4 squared is 16. So 16 is a perfect square. Same thing with x squared. So it creates x plus 4 squared. Or if you wanted to write it out like this beforehand, it would be x plus 4, x plus 4. Okay. From there, you'll be able to square root this piece right here, which will get rid of the squared, and that's going to help you solve it the rest of the way.